Hello friends, welcome to my channel on Invest with Surya. Here are the top 5 stock picks of brokerage firm Sharekhan on date 7th June 2021. Buy rating of on Marico target rupees 562. Sharekhan is bullish on Marico as recommended buy rating on the stock with a target price of rupees 562. Marico Limited is one of the India's leading consumer goods companies providing consumer products and services in the areas of health, beauty and wellness. Outlook: the brokerage firm maintains a buy on Marico with a revised price target of Rs 562. Recent correction in copra prices, steady growth in the core categories, and a scale up in food business improves earning visibility. Marico's 52-week low is Rs 320 and high is Rs 498.60. Buy Imami, target of Rs 635 rupees. Sharekhan is bullish on Imami, has recommended buy rating on the stock with a target price of Rs 635. Imami Limited is one of the leading and fastest growing personal and healthcare businesses in India, with an inviolable portfolio of household brands names such as BoroPlus, Navratna, Fair and Handsome, Jandu Balm, Mentho Plus Balm, Fast Relief, and Kesh King. Outlook: Sharekhan maintains a buy on Imami with a revised price target of Rs 635. Strong growth prospects and receding risk of promoters pledging make it a better pick in the FMCG space. Imami Limited's 52-week low is Rs 184.15 and high is Rs 566.60. Buy rating on Asian Paints, target of Rs 3255. Sharekhan is bullish on Asian Paints, has recommended buy rating on the stock with a target price of Rs 3255. Asian Paints Limited is an Indian multinational paint company headquartered in Mumbai, Maharashtra, India. The company is engaged in the business of manufacturing, selling, and distribution of paints, coatings, products related to home decoration, bath fittings, and providing of related services. Outlook: the brokerage firm maintains a buy on Asian Paints APL with a revised price target of Rs 3255. Dominance in the decorative paints industry and focus on becoming a complete home improvement play with key valuations at premium. Currently trading at 63.0x its financial year 2023 earning per share. Asian Paints Limited's 52-week low is Rs 1577.50 and high is Rs 2990. Buy Polycab India, target of Rs 2050. Sharekhan is bullish on Polycab India, as recommended buy rating on the stock with a target price of Rs 2050. Polycab is engaged in business of manufacturing and selling wires and cables and fast moving electrical goods FMEG under the Polycab brand. Apart from wires and cables, the company manufactures and sells FMEG products such as electric fans, LED lighting and luminaries, switches and switchgear, solar products and conduits and accessories. Outlook: Sharekhan retains a buy on Polycab India Limited with a revised price target of Rs 2050, giving a rise in demand in underlying user industries and strong growth outlook. Polycab India Limited's 52-week low is Rs 705.10 and high is Rs 1762.85.